Leca presents a story about sustainability. A story that started long before sustainability was even on the agenda. It's all about the life cycle of a small, lightweight and strong aggregate. It's actually very simple. Leca lightweight aggregate is a natural and inert material made from freshly dug clay. In the kiln, 1 cubic meter of clay expands into 5 cubic meters of Leca lightweight aggregate. This means that we can produce a lot of material with a small amount of resource. Really resource efficient. The finished product is packed into bags or loaded onto trucks to be transported to the customers. Because of the low density and lightweight properties of the product, a truck can carry up to 4 to 5 times more volume than conventional filling, considerably reducing the number of trucks on the roads and the CO2 emission. The Leca aggregate is delivered quickly and easily to the building site. For projects with easy access, we can simply tip the Leca aggregate. Leca blocks are lightweight and simple to work with, giving the builders an easier time when building. For building sites with difficult access, we can deliver the Leca aggregate with a pneumatic blowing vehicle. When Leca aggregate is installed, the advantages of the little pellets continue to blossom. It brings sound insulation comfort for inner and outer walls. It will also keep the house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. All the beneficial properties are long-lasting with a minimal amount of maintenance. At the end of the life cycle, Leca lightweight aggregate still has much value and can easily be reused or recycled. Loose material can be reused for building new houses, for filling in bridges and roads, or maybe as a drainage solution for a football pitch. The Leca aggregate can also go back into the ground to fill up the hole from where it was originally extracted. Smart, isn't it? We call it borrowed from nature.